Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kim Kardashian has left her fans wondering. With a series of cryptic quotes that she shared on Instagram amid her ex-husband Kanye West's secret marriage with Yeezy designer Bianca Censori revealed. The Skims founder took to her Instagram stories on Friday to share a number of quotes, one of which read, "I am really in my quiet girl era. I don't have much to say, just much to do." She later added another, which said, "Just remember, the black sheep usually turns into a goat. Keep doing you." While her final post read, "People who want to see you win will help you win. Remember that." Kanye married Yeezy architect Bianca 2 months after his divorce from Kim was finalized. The rapper is said to have held a private ceremony with Bianca and the pair have been spotted wearing wedding rings. Kanye was first pictured wearing his band last week, with sources telling the site that the ring symbolizes his commitment to her following the ceremony. Despite holding a wedding ceremony, the union isn't legal because the pair do not appear to have filed a marriage certificate, TMZ reports. The reality star, who shares 4 children with the rapper, has not publicly commented on her former spouse's alleged nuptials. However, she recently hinted that she may instead be missing ex-beau Pete Davidson, as she toyed around with the tattoo filter that gave her face and neck tattoos reminiscent of Pete's collection of body ink. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.